Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video we will take a look about XLM. What's going on with Stellar? Here is Stellar on CoinMarketCap. It's place number 12 on the coin list and you can see it here, guys. We have a daily upgoing Stellar with 1.8%. We have a weekly upgoing Stellar with 3.6% and we have a green 7-day chart here. It's going sideways and lightly up here with Stellar. We will check it now. What's going on here on TradingView? Here is a quick overview for Stellar, for XLM, and on the daily it's looking not so good. We have a sell on oscillators, we have a neutral on summary and a neutral on the moving averages. On the 4 hours we have neutral, neutral and a sell for the moving averages, and on the 1 hour we have a sell and a sell. So this overview is not looking so good for Stellar here momently. Let's go now into the chart. Here is XLM versus US dollar or versus USDT Tether. So guys, what's the first thing here? The daily chart for XLM. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And here is the last day chart, the last days for Stellar. I am starting always here with my parallel channel. I would like to see the direction, and you can see it. Yes, it's clear. It's going up here very nicely for Stellar. The good thing is we have a nice upgoing channel here. The bad thing is we are under the middle line. The middle line is working as a resistance momently. That's the first thing for the daily chart. The next thing, we are turning on the ribbon band. Here is the EMA ribbon, and you can see, guys, Stellar is fighting in this ribbon band. Not so good. The ribbon band is not a support momently. Stellar is fighting in the ribbon band, and very interesting, the MA21, guys, is over our heads. It's a big resistance also momently for Stellar. So the daily chart is not the best thing we can see here, the bullish thing we can see here. Let's turn on the MACD. What's going on with the MACD for Stellar? And here on the daily chart we have a bearish MACD. It's going down here. You can see it. The blue line is under the brown line. That's a bearish sign here also. And yes, we can make another thing here on the 4-hour chart. We can make a parallel channel from the upside here over this highest point to the downside, and you can see it. It's fitting perfect here. We can make it red because yes, the downtrend is always red. And on the daily chart, the big trend is going up, but here we can see we have a downgoing channel in the uptrend channel. So we are going deeper now in the 4-hour chart. Let's check XLM in the 4-hour chart. Here we are, and you can see it, guys. This is a bearish downtrend channel. Stellar is trying to break out from this channel, but momently the 4-hour candles are all closing under this big resistance here. You can see it, guys. And also a big problem is here. We have a bearish ribbon band, a red ribbon band. Stellar is fighting in the ribbon band. It tried to spike over it, but now it's again on the 4-hour chart in the ribbon band. You can see it, the short position was here for XLM, and we have a short position here for Stellar for XLM. The next interesting thing is, guys, the MA21 is acting as a support. That's a good thing. It's not so important as in the 1-day chart, but on the 4-hour chart, it's a very nice thing to see. The MA21 is acting as support. And the next good thing is here, this bullish MACD, because the blue line is over the brown line, and this MACD is a bullish thing here for Stellar. I can see here another thing, guys, very interesting. This is a triangle. Yes, we can draw here the line. We can draw a line from the downside here to this side, and we can draw a line also here from this highest one to this one. And you can see it, guys. This is working very nice here as a triangle, and Stellar XLM is now in this triangle. So the next breakout is very important. In which direction will XLM break out? Will it break out to the upside or to the downside? We have targets if we are breaking up to the upside, and we have also a target if we are breaking to the downside. So to the downside, if we are breaking to the downside, we have a really nice target, and in my opinion, this one here is the best target here for breaking down. Why? Because it's also the bottom of our downtrend channel. The technical target is here on the deepest point on 1.19. In my opinion, it's 1.20. 1.20 is the target if we are breaking to the downside. If we are breaking to the upside, we have also a target, and that's the first target, in my opinion, is the middle line. That's very clear here because we have the middle line and this is acting as a resistance. So the first target is 0.52 and the second target, if we can go on here with Stellar to the upside, it's this point, it's 0.6. That's the next target for the outbreak. So the important thing is for Stellar, we must watch this triangle and we must watch if we are breaking it to the upside or to the downside. It's a similar thing as in Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, we have also momently a triangle. Bitcoin is trying out the triangle to the upside, but it's very interesting to see if it works or if it's not working here. So let's check XLM versus Bitcoin. One of the important things here for me as a trader, what is better to trade? Is it better to trade XLM or is it better to trade Bitcoin? And that's the big bad thing here. You can see it. We are also still in this big downtrend against Bitcoin. It's better to trade Bitcoin momently as trading Stellar because of this big downtrend. We need to break this downtrend, and you can see it, guys. The next bad thing is we are under this important Fibonacci line, this red line here. Stellar is under this, and it's going here down and down again. You see the next thing is we are under the ribbon band, the next thing is we are under the MA21, and yes, the MACD is also bearish. So it's looking bad. It's looking really bad for XLM. I'm sorry. I would like to see XLM going to the upside, but it's looking bad. If you would like to buy XLM to a good price, it's good for you maybe. If you are shorting here versus Bitcoin from this point, it's good for you maybe. But for all guys, they would like to see a mooning Stellar, a mooning XLM. It's momently a very bad situation, in my opinion, as long as we are in this downtrend. If we will break the downtrend against Bitcoin, that would be a very nice sign for me. But for the moment, it's a bearish thing. So guys, we need to watch XLM to break out against Bitcoin from the downtrend, and we need to watch XLM to break, you know it, versus US dollar, the triangle to the upside or to the downside. We need to watch this in the next hours, maybe tomorrow. I think Monday is a good day for this. Monday is mostly a lot of volume in the market, and I think maybe on Monday we will see here a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Guys, that's the update for Stellar, for XLM. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you guys you make millions with your trades. Guys, very important, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I have here only my knowledge and all my TA I can show to you. And this is only a help for you to make the right decision. Guys, have a good time. Make it good. Bye bye, greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.